Marc Chaikin September 19 Stock Warning, Chaikin Power Gauge Event Details and Registration, by tradeinvestnow.com. Marc Chaikin reveals the truth about what's really happening in the stock market and how all the market forces we've seen so far in 2024 could trigger a dramatic reversal that may blindside investors. TradeInvestNow.com wishes to convey the most significant development currently unfolding in the realm of finance, emphasizing its implications for both individual investors and the broader economic landscape. On September 19th, Marc Chaikin will reveal the truth about what's really happening in the US stock market and how all the market forces we've seen so far in 2024, AI, record-breaking volatility, the risk of a recession, and more, could trigger a dramatic reversal that may blindside investors. Plus, he'll reveal the name and ticker of the absolute worst stock you could own right now. Click here for details. Marc Chaikin September 19th Stock Warning, what is all about? This week has only solidified that we're facing one of the most contentious presidential elections in recent history. And as volatility spikes, recession rumors swirl, and fear and divisiveness rise across the country. Our friend and 50-year Wall Street veteran Marc Chaikin just stepped forward with a dire warning. He told us, "You can feel it, can't you?" It's been spreading from investor to investor like the common cold since the Dow took a 1,000-point plunge last month. This fear, this knowing that the engine powering the US stock market has begun to sputter. It's official, everything just changed for US stocks. Now, in the days leading up to the most important Fed meeting in over 2 years, Marc Chaikin and the team at Chaikin Analytics are preparing for a dramatic market reset. One they say will send thousands of stocks soaring and crashing in the next 90 days or less. This is the same firm that issued early warnings of the 2020 COVID crash, the 2022 bear market, and the 2023 bank run, weeks, if not months in advance. So, if you have ANY money in the markets right now, please circle September 19th on your calendar. On that day, Marc is announcing a critical 90-day stock warning he's not sharing anywhere else. He'll provide unprecedented clarity to regular Americans and retirees, who will likely be impacted most by what's unfolding. What will Marc Chaikin share through September 19th stock warning? First, Marc will explain how all the market forces we've seen so far in 2024, AI, the new volatility, the Fed's historic rate decision, and more, could trigger a dramatic reversal that could blindside investors in just the next 90 days. He'll tell you exactly which corner of the stock market he believes is about to suffer the next wave of brutal volatility, including the specific signal he's using to detect the next great market crash. Finally, Marc will share the exact steps you must take right now with your money to place your portfolio in the best possible position, including the name and ticker of his number one stock to buy and his number one stock to avoid, completely free. When is Marc Chaikin September 19th stock warning? Marc Chaikin September 19th stock warning event has been scheduled to take place on Thursday, September 19th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. How to sign up for Marc Chaikin September 19th stock warning? Marc's curated a special website packed with valuable research and resources to help you hit the ground running on September 19th. To get access to it, all you have to do is enter your respective email here. These valuable resources will bring you up to speed ahead of the event. Free access to a light version of Marc's Power Gauge stock system. In an ever-changing market, Marc's unique tool gives you an easy, unbiased, and most importantly, data-backed answer for when it's the optimal time to buy, sell, or hold any stock in the market. Until September 19th, you can plug in any of the more than 5,000 stocks it covers and get an instant verdict. Marc's story. Learn how Marc became one of the most influential figures in the financial world, with nearly 1 million followers in 148 countries, by inventing a technical stock indicator that's still used by hundreds of banks, hedge funds, and brokerages to this day. 5 surprise signals from the Power Gauge. Free information on 5 new surprise signals from Marc's Wall Street system, the Power Gauge, that you might have overlooked but could be crucial for your wealth moving forward. Real success stories from Marc's readers. One reader told Marc, "Thank you very much for the excellent work you do for all of us. Even if I buy recommendations from other services, I always try to check the Power Gauge to see how it's rated. The Power Gauge gives me much more confidence in investing. Thank you again for helping me develop confidence as an investor." Bottom line, should you attend Marc Chaikin's September 19th stock warning? Marc Chaikin's critical market warning is airing September 19th. At 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Marc is going on air to issue a dire warning about the shocking Wall Street reset that he predicts will unfold over the next 90 days. One that could be the deciding factor in what you're able to achieve financially in the coming months. It's directly connected to the upcoming Fed meeting and the recent surge of volatility we've seen in beloved AI stocks. To our knowledge, Marc's the only person sharing this warning with regular people. That's because the data he's sharing today has essentially been off limits to everyday Americans, who will likely be impacted most by what's unfolding. During his briefing, he'll reveal the exact steps you need to take to help protect yourself against the coming wave of threats and potentially even profit off the shift to come. Marc Chaikin September 19th stock warning, claim your free spot here. About Chaikin Analytics. Chaikin Analytics, which launched in March 2011, is a suite of stock research tools and portfolio management services that help pick winning stocks and drop losing stocks ahead of market shifts. The Chaikin Power Gauge rating is the centerpiece of Chaikin Analytics. It's a remarkably accurate indicator of where a stock is headed over the next 3 to 6 months. You can contact the Chaikin Analytics team via the following. Email info@chaikinanalytics.com. Phone 877-978-6257. About tradeinvestnow.com. This press release is published by tradeinvestnow.com. Tradeinvestnow.com was founded by trading education insiders with one simple goal: provide well-educated self-directed traders to the material that will truly further their trading success. Our mission is to give every reader free access to the trading articles, events, ebooks and videos that can change their trading lives and careers forever. Disclaimer: the expert opinions presented in this PR story are based on the extensive experience and knowledge of the source company. These views do not necessarily reflect the opinions of the news distribution company and its distribution partners. There is no offer to sell, no solicitation of an offer to buy, and no recommendation of any security or any other product or service in this article. Moreover, nothing contained in this should be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any investment or security, or to engage in any investment strategy or transaction. It is your responsibility to determine whether any investment strategy, security, or related transaction is appropriate for you based on your investment objectives, financial circumstances, and risk tolerance. Consult your business advisor, attorney, or tax advisor regarding your specific business, legal, or tax situation. The news distribution company and its distribution partners do not endorse or guarantee the accuracy, completeness, or reliability of the information shared by the guest. Viewers are encouraged to consult with their own experts or conduct their own research when making decisions related to topics of this nature. The source company is the one issuing this release. Please contact them directly for further information. Disclosure clause. This press release may contain forward-looking statements. Forward-looking statements describe future expectations, plans, results, or strategies, including product offerings, regulatory plans, and business plans, and may change without notice. You are cautioned that such statements are subject to a multitude of risks and uncertainties that could cause future circumstances, events, or results to differ materially from those projected in the forward-looking statements, including the risks that actual results may differ materially from those projected in the forward-looking statements. Media details. Contact us, support@tradeinvestnow.com. Phone number 347-669-1180. Website https://tradeinvestnow.com. Facebook https://www.facebook.com/tradeandinvestments. Twitter https://twitter.com/joshbro20595351.